Hello students, I hope everybody is fine and everybody is keeping a good health. Today we'll be discussing about a topic and the name of the topic is verb. Okay, now verb, let me tell you something about the verb. Verb means a word that shows an action or a situation. An action or a situation that is called a verb, or a condition where someone has something, a word that tells that someone has possession of something. Such a word is called a verb. It shows an action or it shows a situation or it shows possession of something. कुछ है किसी का ऐसा दिखाता है, possession दिखाता है. Such word is called a verb. Okay, basically हमने बचपन में आपने you might have studied in the earlier classes that is verb means an action word, a word that shows a action. So it is not just about action, it is also about a situation and also a condition of possessing something, having something. That words show such showing that possession and situation word is also a verb. Okay, now let me tell you, when you look in a sentence you will find verb in different forms. Okay, you will find verbs in action words as only action words. Runs, plays, jumps, sleeps, goes, comes, speaks, talks, cries, laughs. All these are action words, the words that show an action. Okay, so in a sentence you can find verb in the form of only action word also. Then there are supportive verbs, इसको auxiliary verbs भी बोलते हैं. Supportive verbs or auxiliary verbs. Words such as am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, be. These words are called auxiliary verbs or supportive verbs. ये जो auxiliary verbs are also seen as a verb. Now for example, he is in the library. There is he is in the library. There is no action. So here what is the verb? Is, auxiliary verb. Okay, so that is also a verb. These auxiliary verbs can also be verbs. Action words can be verbs. Auxiliary verbs can also be verbs. Then in some sentences you will find that verb is only an action word. There is no other word, only action word is there. So that becomes the verb. In some sentences you will find that there is no action word. There is only auxiliary verb or a supportive verb. So that becomes the verb. In some sentences you will find that there is auxiliary verb as well as a action word. Both are there. So they both become the verb. Mala is singing a song. तो उसमें is भी है और singing भी है. Auxiliary verb is also there and action word is also there. So what is the verb? Is singing. Okay, in that way verbs can be found. So this is just I try to explain that how can you find verbs in a sentence. एक sentence में verb किस form में दिखेगा? सिर्फ action word में दिखाई देगा, सिर्फ सपोर्टिव वर्ब या ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब में दिखाई देगा, सपोर्टिव वर्ब, एक्सिलरी वर्ब और साथ में एक्शन वर्ड, ऐसा भी दिखाई देगा. इफ देयर इज अ नॉट, इफ देयर इज अ वर्ड नॉट, नेगेटिव वर्ड नॉट, दैट आल्सो इज इंक्लूडेड इन द वर्ब. Okay students, so this is a small introduction. Let us try to look into some examples. See, Naveen talks a lot in the class. There is no auxiliary verb, is, am, are, कुछ भी नहीं है, only action word, that is talks, isn't it? So that becomes the verb. Next example, the librarian was in the library. तो इसमें there is no action word, only auxiliary verb or supportive verb, was. So that becomes the verb. Next वाला देखो, the teacher is teaching grammar. इसमें supportive verb और auxiliary verb is there. Is, action word is also there, teaching, है ना? So is teaching becomes the verb. Then not, my brother will not come for the party. तो will, auxiliary verb, not, negative verb, come, action word. तो ये तीनों मिलके हो गया verb. Okay, so verb can be found in these different ways in a sentence. Okay students, now let us try to understand different forms of verb. आपने tense सुना होगा, present tense, past tense, future tense, isn't it? So we are going to look at some form of verbs according to tense. अभी present tense, verb is the part. एक बात ध्यान रखना students, all of you, verb वो part है which tells us about the tense of a sentence. ठीक है, sing, is singing तो present tense, was singing तो past tense, will be singing तो हो गया future tense. So verb is the part which tells us about the tense of a sentence. Okay students, so here look at some examples of first form, that is present tense. Eat, play, sing, okay, etc. Then उसका second form, मतलब present tense का second form, present tense is the first form, second form क्या है, past tense, present से past. Eat का हो गया ate, play का हो गया played, sing का हो गया sang. Okay, change from first form to second form, present tense to past tense. Okay, now third form, past participle. Let me explain you what is past participle. Past participle shows the action is over, the action is done, completed. ऐसा जो verb है, that is called past participle. Past participle tells that the action is done, the action is over. अभी जैसे eat खाना, ate खा लिया, eaten खा लिया, ate मतलब खाया, ठीक है, eaten खा लिया, completed, eating action is over. Then play, played, और उसका past participle is also played. ज़्यादातर verbs जिसका past tense में ed आता है, उसका past participle में भी maximum case में it will be ed. Not all, but maximum case. Then sing गाना, sang गाया, sung गा लिया. Okay, so here past participle verb, it shows that the action is done, the action is over. Okay students, so that these are the three forms. First form, that is present tense, second form, that is past tense, and third form, that is past participle form of verb. I think there is a list of verbs in the first form, second form, and the third form in the textbook. You have to learn it students. Okay, I will be asking in some doubt clearing session. I will take a oral test. मैं बताऊंगा पहले से किस में oral test लूँगा. I will take a oral test and I will put marks for your oral test also. You have to learn that. ये pronouns का जो मैंने भेजा था और ये जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ past first form, second form, all these I will be taking oral test. I will inform you, but I will be taking oral test for all these. So get ready and be prepared. Okay students, so this is about the verb, a word that shows a action, or a word that shows a situation or shows possession, that is called a verb. It can be seen as only action word. Some sentences have only supportive verb or auxiliary verb. Some sentences have auxiliary verb or supportive verb and साथ में action word also. Okay, and verb is the part which tells us the tense. Verb में हमने three forms देखा. First form present tense, second form past tense, third form past participle form. Past participle form shows that the action is over, done. So these are the different parts of verb or different things or different verbs that we have seen in different forms. So I repeat students, you have to learn that table that is given in the textbook. उसको by heart करना है. It is long table, but we have to by heart. There is no other option. Okay students. So anyway, thank you everybody. Thank you all the students and parents, and please take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.